हेलो बच्चों आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल सो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है लेंथ एंड इट्स मेजरमेंट सो इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द नीड ऑफ मेजरमेंट एंड यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट in further the in units of measurement we are discussing about the two type of units fundamental units and derived units. So basically there are three fundamental units which are known to be the backbone of physics, and length is one of the backbone of the physics. Why? Because the three fundamental unit mass, length and time, in which we can express all those quantities which could be derived. So today we will discuss about length and its measurement. So firstly, what do you mean by length? क्या होता है length? हाँ जी, the distance between two point in a space is called length. बेसिकली जैसे आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं कि दो पॉइंट्स हमने कंसीडर किए हैं ए एंड बी, इनके बीच के डिस्टेंस को हम क्या बोलेंगे? लेंथ. एसआई यूनिट उसकी क्या होती है? मीटर. क्लियर है इतना? हाँ जी. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट वी ऑल आर फैमिलियर विद द वर्ड लेंथ. सो मीन इज द मेजरमेंट. देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ मेजरमेंट, सुटेबल एंड अनसुटेबल. Basically, the suitable length is measured by the direct method, whereas the unsuitable length is measured by the indirect method. How? If you want to measure the height of a person, you can use meter scale. If you want to measure the diameter of wire, you can use screw gauge. And if you want to measure the height of a cylindrical body, you can use vernier caliper. While in case of a unsuitable length, like if we have want to discuss about the distance between star and planets, stars and earth, and radius of an atom, consider how small it is. So these type of measurements are unsuitable, so we will use indirect method to measure these type of length. हाँ जी. और तो मेजरमेंट ऑफ लेंथ, इवन द लेंथ कुड बी मेजर्ड. ठीक है. तो मेजरमेंट जो है इसको हमने दो कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया है. वी विल डिस्कस इट नाउ. फर्स्ट वन इज लॉन्गर डिस्टेंस, second one is shorter distance, but both are measured by the indirect method. Look one of them. Hanji, measurement of long distance by indirect method, we have two methods, parallax method and another is angular method. So these two methods are very important clearly. और इनके बेस्ड बेटा क्या होता है, न्यूमेरिकल्स भी काफी पूछे जाते हैं. क्लियर है इतना? हाँ जी. नेक्स्ट वी विल डील अबाउट द शॉर्टर डिस्टेंस बाय इनडायरेक्ट मेथड. हैव अ लुक. हाँ जी. मेजरमेंट ऑफ वेरी स्मॉल डिस्टेंस बाय इनडायरेक्ट मेथड, these are basically divided into two categories to determine the size of folic acid molecule and Avogadro hypothesis. So now you all are familiar with the direct and indirect methods. Clearly, now we will start about one of the indirect method to measure larger distance. हाँ जी. Our first method to measure the long distance by indirect method is parallax method. तो बेसिकली पैरेलैक्स मेथड होता क्या है? इस मेथड की हेल्प से हम क्या करते हैं, डिस्टेंस ऑफ प्लैनेट्स एंड स्टार्स फ्रॉम अर्थ को क्या करते हैं, कैलकुलेट करते हैं. बेसिकली एज अ नेम शो इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ इनडायरेक्ट मेथड टू मेजर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस. तो अर्थ एंड सन का डिस्टेंस काफी होता है, तो उसे मेजर करने के लिए हम कौन सा मेथड यूज करने वाले हैं? पैरेलैक्स मेथड. लेट्स सी हाउ दिस मेथड वर्क. हाँ जी, लेट्स सी. हियर वी कंसिडर अर्थ. हियर द पोजीशन ऑफ अ स्टार. We are measuring the star or observe the star by the help of telescope from the two different positions A and B. The angle suspended by the telescope with vertical position at point A is theta 1 and at point B is theta 2. Thus the angle suspended by star by the distance between two observed position is determined by parallax method. How? See, we are at the A position, we are at the B position. From both the position, we are looking at star with the help of telescope. So here this angle is theta 1, here this angle is theta 2. The complete angle formation will be theta 1 plus me theta 2. The complete theta will be equal to, let's see, theta 1 plus me theta 2. A and B is the observation point on the surface of Earth, clearly. B is the diameter of Earth. Capital D is the distance between Sun and Earth, and theta is our observation angle. हाँ हाँ जी बच्चे पार्टी टू अकॉर्डिंग टू डेफिनेशन ऑफ एंगल, बेसिकली एंगल क्या पढ़ाया था हमने, theta is equal to arc upon radius. So here what is arc and what is radius? The arc is considered to be the diameter of earth, so which is represented by b, and radius is the distance between the earth and sun. ये basically अगर आप स्टार के लिए लेके चल रहे हैं, the distance between the earth and star, so it is represented by theta d. So we can calculate the theta by knowing the value d is equal to b by theta. As you all see that theta and d are inversely proportional to each other. By knowing the value of b and theta, we can measure the distance of star from the earth. Is it clear to all of you? Hanji. So our next method is angular method. In this method is used to determine the angular size of astronomical object. Clearly? So what is the astronomical object? The astronomical objects are those which are present in the astronaut. So basically we are considered that astronomical object like as a moon, because moon आपका क्या है, कहाँ पे है, स्पेस में है बेटा. क्लियरली, तो उसकी एंगुलर साइज को हम कैलकुलेट करने वाले हैं. लेट्स सी हाउ वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग इट. हाँ जी, लेट्स डी बी द एंगुलर साइज ऑफ द मून and capital D is the distance between earth and moon. The angle suspended by the telescope on earth when moon is observed at two different opposite ends of a diameter. Let's see, we are at O on the earth's surface, and we are seeing the point E and opposite end of the point B by using telescope, and angle formed by between them is theta. So as we all know that theta is equal to arc upon radius, and theta. Here the arc is small d and the radius is represented by the capital D. So small d will be equal to theta into capital D. So in this way we can calculate the angular size of any object which is present in a